If you have soft, glowing skin on your agenda, then this honey facial at home is just for you. When used on the skin, honey offers countless benefits. Hello friends and welcome to Glowpink. My name is Garima and today I brought you a step-by-step video on how you can do this all-natural honey facial at home. To stay up to date with our latest videos and amazing remedies, make sure you subscribe to Glowpink channel and don't forget to turn on the notifications. So the first step is cleansing. To make this cleanser, you will need milk and honey. So in a bowl, add equal amount of raw milk and honey. Mix them together to get an even consistency like cleanser. Apply this on all over your face and massage it for about 5 minutes. Then wash it off using normal tap water. This is a very good way to cleanse your skin using honey and milk. Milk is considered to be a natural cleanser and it nourishes the skin when mixed with honey while ensuring it's healthy. After cleansing, the next step comes is exfoliation. So for this you will need rice flour, honey and some rose water. In a bowl, take 1 tablespoon of rice flour. To this, add about half a tablespoon of honey. Add a little rose water because honey can be little too sticky and you will not be able to scrub your face properly. So apply the scrub after you have cleansed your face and massage it for a few minutes. Rice flour and honey is one of my favorite treatments on face scrub. Rice flour is somewhat grainy, which makes it an exceptionally strong exfoliant. Not to mention, it leaves the skin shiny looking. So after you have exfoliated your face, the next step comes is a massaging gel. So for this step, you will need honey and some aloe vera gel. In a bowl, take 1 tablespoon of honey and add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. You can use store-bought aloe vera gel or freshly extracted aloe vera gel. Mix both of them together and apply on your freshly exfoliated skin. Massage for good 7 to 10 minutes. Just plain honey can have so many advantages, but adding aloe vera makes it even more powerful. Just take a little and massage the skin to reveal a smooth, soft, glowing complexion. You can even use this to brighten up these areas on your lips and under your eyes. After you have massaged your face properly, the next step comes is a face mask. So for this, you will need gram flour, turmeric, honey and some curd. In a bowl, take 1 tablespoon of gram flour. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Now add 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of curd. Mix all these ingredients together to form a mask. Apply this on your face and wait for it to dry. Then wash your face. Apply your favorite moisturizer to seal the moisture and goodness into the skin. Gram flour or besan is one of my favorite skincare ingredients that still works wonders when mixed with honey and turmeric. Gram flour is known for its soothing properties and turmeric gives the skin a beautiful radiance. If you don't have the time to go through this whole facial routine, you can just use this mask to get a quick pamper session. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Let us know how this works for you. Till then, I'm Garima signing off today. See you in my next video. Bye-bye. Remove your dark circles naturally with Glow Pink Miracle Eye Gel. It deeply hydrates delicate skin under eye, reduces dark circles and puffiness, makes appearance of wrinkles less noticeable. It has quick absorbing formula which is packed with all natural and effective ingredients like almond oil, jojoba oil, aloe vera gel and cucumber extract. Use this gel morning and night to reveal a brighter looking you. Suitable for all skin types, Glow Pink Miracle Eye Gel is now available on glowpink.com. Check out now. Get 10% discount now on your purchase on glowpink.com. Exclusive only for our YouTube viewers. Use coupon code YouTube10.